In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Galaxy Watch to Strava. So if you want to actually connect your Galaxy Watch to your Strava, you first need to head over to your Strava. You can head over to the app or you can head over to the actual website of Strava right here and you can see this record your first activity option and head over and click on the disconnect device. Now from in there, you can just choose in here which one you want to use. So our Samsung Galaxy is under Samsung. So let's head over and click onto this Samsung option and click onto this get started. In here, you can see these options right here. So we have it here. So this Galaxy Watches are compatible. You can just set up your Strava on your Samsung Gear. Make sure to install the Strava app on the Samsung Galaxy. Then from this computer, just head over to this link in order to link your Strava account, and you will receive a 4-digit access code in the computer screen to enter on your actual Galaxy Watch device. Now you will be prompted to accept location, sensor data permission, and a safety warning before being able to record those activities that you want on there. If you want to record those activity, just open the Strava app on your Samsung device and select your desired activity type like outdoor activities and make sure to wait for a strong GPS signal. Press the large orange button in the center to begin the recording and you will see a total time shown on the screen, an average pace or speed in the center, and a total distance and heart rate on the bottom. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.